Hello, Heather. Today we are going to start extending to the sides, stretching out our sides. So coming to stand with your feet a comfortable distance apart and bringing your arms up. Interlace your fingers. Press your palms together. Or if that's uncomfortable, simply press your palms together like this. Press into your feet and lean over to one side. Now, as you lean in this direction, press into this foot. So pressing into your right foot as you lean to the left. Coming back up to center. Pressing into the left foot as you lean to the right. Back up to center. Bring your arms down. Give your shoulders a nice roll out. And this time, really concentrating on the press of your feet. So your hands can be interlaced. Stretching up, pressing your feet, extending your arms up. And as you breathe out, extending to the side, really press into the opposite foot of the direction you're going. And then if it's there for you, you can turn and look up. Look to the front, come back to center, breathe in, lengthen up, breathe out to the side, turning to look up, keep pressing into your foot to really feel the extension. Come back up and release. Nice roll out. Okay, tomorrow we are going to do another side extension. So I hope to see you back then. Apparently on YouTube, if you click subscribe and the little bell, you'll get a notification when the next video comes up. See ya.